Look at them harbour days, innit? I'm standing at the 5th of the 4th fucking through to the viewpoint. Queensferry.
Snow hit parts of England on January 5, causing event cancellations and travel disruption in some places. The Met Office said the snow would increasingly turn to rain across much of the country, while snow continued to pile up in northern England and snowfall moved into parts of Scotland. Through Sunday, the 5th of January and into the morning of Monday, the 6th of January, further snowfall and the risk of ice continues across much of Scotland. Not only that, it is reported that the cooler air could bring rain in South Wales and central and southern England. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas in England have experienced extreme weather since last Sunday.
I'm standing at the 5th of the 4th fucking through to the viewpoint. Queensferry. It's officially fucking iced up. What a fucking fall in the water, man.
This going.
I didn't even think it would actually work.
The Met Office's chief weather forecaster said it was seeing accumulations of snow in areas expected to be subject to an amber alert, and there would be further snowfall across high ground in northern England throughout today. Cold conditions in Scotland will continue, with snowfall in many coastal areas, and heavier snow for a time in the southeast. The authorities appeal to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit their area over the last few days.
Queensferry. It's officially fucking iced up. What a fucking fall.